What are you doing? Are you drinking up? What is that noise you're making? That is so funny. Are you drinking out of your sippy cup like a big girl? Yeah, let's pull your seat up. Want some applesauce? Want to show everybody how you can have a big bite of applesauce? Hey, Sophia. Here. Do you want your applesauce? Good girl. Thank you. What a good bite. Did you have the chills? Hello. Hello. You're touching the camera. Touching the camera. As long as you can touch it, it's okay, huh? Did you just put a big smear on the line? Okay, so, you like applesauce, right? Would you like to try some chicken noodle? Ooh, she doesn't like chicken noodle. Come on, try it. Chicken noodle, Sophia. You saying Dada? Ba? Ba ba Dada, Mama. Cracker. Want some chicken noodle? Oh, you poor thing. You don't like anything that has to do with meat. Except ground beef. I love you. Okay, let's have some more. Boop. Boop. Oh, Daddy's gonna be mad. Boop. Boop, 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 boop.